The message comes here, someone else is presenting. Okay. Good afternoon. I hope everyone has joined, those who really want to do the lectures. झालेत का join? If anyone have a problem, you can say. So in this lecture, we'll see the last theorem, that is last version of Euler-Lagrange's theorem. Have you completed the homework I have given for you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us go for the last point of our second chapter, and these 2 units will be there for your internal examinations. Okay.
मॅम फेरी पण आहे.
I have written a message. So theory you have to submit by writing, and you have to upload it on the answer sheet. Okay. I will share. I will show how to upload the theory. Okay. After the completion of this one, just remind me.
ओके मॅम.
Okay. Isoperimetric problem for several dependent variable. Okay. The first thing we have seen for f of x, y dash.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
That's why I told you, na, that someone else is presenting. Why you have presented? I कोण प्रेझेंट करतायत ते कट करा आणि मला प्रेझेंट करू द्या.
आता दिसतंय मॅडम.
आत्ता दिसाले
येस
मॅडम.
मॅम.
Okay. F of x. Next we have seen for f of x, y dash, y double dash. And next we have seen for f of x, y, I, and yi dash. Okay. So what is the difference? Here it is simply f is a function of x, y dash. Here it is a function of x, y dash, y double dash. And here it is having more than one dependent variable. Next we have seen for a isoperimetric problem. Same consideration, but instead of having a single integral I, we have another one, that is j, which is also again a function of x, y dash. In the second case, g is a function of again x, y dash, y double dash. Now the last one we'll see about isoperimetric problem for a several dependent variable. Okay. Is there any doubt?
नो मॅम.
Okay, let us go for the next one. Obtain the Euler-Lagrange's differential equation such that we have to find out the extremization of the integral I, which is a function of x, y1, y2 up to so on yn, y1 dash, y2 dash up to so on yn dash dx, and extremization under the integral j, which is from x1 to x2, g of x, y1, y2 to so on yn, y1 dash, y2 dash up to so on yn dash dx, right? Which is equal to one some constant number. Okay. So we have to find out extremization of I under the condition of j. Also, we have provided with the condition that yi of x1 is equals to yi, and yi of x2 is equals to that means I have to write down some like, so we'll write it as yi of 1 for x1, and y of x2 will be yi of 2. Okay. Because initially we have simply y1 of x1 is y of x1 is nothing but y1, and y of x2 is nothing but y2. But here instead of having simply y, we have more than one dependent variable, that is yi. Okay. So that I can write it as y of x1, and similarly by we can write it is for y1 of x1 is nothing but y1. Similarly, y2 of x2 is written as y2. Okay. Now let us now write down what is a construction. कोणतं सांगणार का construction? Because sixth time we are going to see this one. Take any 2 points P and Q such that with say coordinate x1, y1 and x2, y2. There are infinitely many ways to join from point P to Q, and out of all those infinitely many ways, we have to select the one which gives the shortest distance. And for that, we can now rename all the paths from P to Q in another way, that just as yj. Because instead of having simply y, that is a single dependent variable, we have yj is equals to, now we can write it as yj of x0 plus epsilon I eta j of x plus next epsilon 1 epsilon 2 eta 1 of j and eta 2 of j of x. Okay, but we have actually yj of x. Okay, instead of having a single dependent variable, we have y1, y2 up to so on yn. So that's why we can write it as yj of x0 plus this one we can write it as summation over I runs from 1 to 2, because epsilon 1 and epsilon 2. Why epsilon 1 and epsilon 2? Because we have only two integral, that is I and j. Okay, if we are having only extremization of I, at that time we were using alpha. So here we can write epsilon I eta j of x. Okay, that's why I have written I here. So here it will be eta 1j. For first one it is so if you run the summation, it will be eta 1 epsilon 1 eta 1j epsilon 2 eta 2j. In general, we can write it as epsilon I eta j. Any doubt for this?
No, ma'am.
So what are epsilon 1 and epsilon 2? These are nothing but the parameter. For different values of epsilon, we are getting the different curve, just like alpha. For different values of alpha, we get the different curve. Okay. Now what are the next thing we have to verify? Whether epsilon 1j of x1 will be equal to 0. Epsilon 1j of x1. And similarly, we have to work for epsilon 2j of x1, epsilon 2j of x2 equal to 0. Why? What these condition ensure? These condition ensures that all the paths are passing from point P and Q. Why? Because if you write here all these are 0, that is epsilon 1j and epsilon 2j, or x1 and x2, if it is equal to 0. Whatever x1 and x2, these are nothing but the coordinates of point P and Q. These two are, if you are going to equate these terms equal to 0, which means that all the paths are passing through the points P and Q. Okay. Now we shall look for the path for which we get the extremization. Okay. So for that, let me now have the integral I, which is in terms of now epsilon 1 and epsilon 2. It can be written as integration x1 to x2 f of x yj dash dx. Similarly, the another integral j epsilon 1 epsilon 2 integration x1 to x2 g of x yj dash dx, correct, which is equal to some constant. Now what we have to do, we have been provided that value of integral j is equal to some constant number. Now in this method, what we are going to use, we are going to use a Lagrange's multiplier. That is, to extremize I star I under the condition of j, we are going to now use a Lagrange's multiplier. Okay. So now extremization of I under the condition of j is equivalent to find out extremization of I star. Now corresponding to I star, we should have F star. What is F star now? It is nothing but f plus lambda g. Okay. So let us now integrate this. That is I star will be nothing but integration of a function f star, which is a function of x yj yj dash dx, right? So now what we have to do, we have to, what is the next step, can anyone tell me?
First derivative of I star equal to 0.
Dou I star by dou epsilon I should be equal to 0 for finding the maxima or minima. So for that, let me find out the value of dou I star by dou epsilon I. Okay. So let us now find out this one, as integration is with respect to x and derivative we are finding with respect to epsilon I. So integration as it is. Now let me find out the derivative of f star with respect to x and then derivative of x with respect to epsilon I. Okay, plus next f star with respect to yj, then derivative of yj with respect to epsilon I, plus next derivative of f star with respect to yj dash and derivative of yj dash with respect to epsilon I. Okay. What is the next step now? We have to find out the value of these terms, right? Because we don't know what is f star, since f star is nothing but f plus lambda g. As we don't know what is f and g, so we cannot find out what are the values of these terms. Now, can anyone please tell me what are the values of those underline words? Sangha?
First term is 0.
First term is 0 because x is independent variable. Plus, next, this will be as it is, f star with respect to yj. What is the value of yj with respect to epsilon I?
Eta of x.
Here is yj, okay. Now we have to differentiate this yj with respect to epsilon I. Sanga काय येईल derivative?
Eta ij.
Eta ij. Okay, correct. Why? Because here there is no term of epsilon I here, so it will be 0. And if you are going to differentiate with respect to epsilon I here, derivative of this term with respect to epsilon I, here it is 1 and this term will be treated as a constant. Okay. Let me write down this next term, that will be nothing but epsilon ij plus next derivative of f star with respect to yj dash, and derivative of yj dash will be nothing but eta
Eta ij dash.
ij dash of, and here dx. Now if you want to evaluate the derivative, what you have to do? You have to apply the integration by part for the second one, because we don't know what is f star, so we cannot evaluate the integration. Okay. And this we have to equate it to 0, because dou I star by dou epsilon I equal to 0, then only we can find out the extreme, right? Okay, now let us find out the integration of this term. So for that, let me keep the dou f star by dou y j dash as it is, because we don't know what is this. So integration of eta I j dash of x will be nothing but eta ij, because integration derivative both are with respect to x, and hence we get the result. In these we have to evaluate the values between the x1 to x2 minus the integration of derivative of first term. What is your first term? F star. We have to differentiate with respect to yj dash. And this eta ij as it is dx equal to 0. Okay. What is the second term?
0.
The 0. Why? Because eta ij of x1 x2 is equal to 0. This is what a condition we have written here. eta 1j of x1, eta 1j of x2 equal to 0, eta 2j of x1, eta 2j of x2 equal to 0. And hence we can now write down this as equal to 0 minus the integration of d by dx of f star with respect to yj dash eta ij of x and dx. Okay, now what are the terms common? We can take integration eta ij of x dx common. Okay, so now let me write down integration x1 to x2 f star with respect to yj minus d by dx of f star with respect to yj dash, correct? And here what are the common terms? Eta ij of x and dx, which is equal to 0. Okay, now here we are going to use a which lemma?
Basic lemma for calculus.
Basic of a calculus of variation, which tells us that integration x1 to x2 g of x into eta of x, if it is equal to 0 for values of eta of xi equal to 0, then we say that g of x is equal to 0. In this case, g of x is this term, and hence we get equal to 0. So what is the change? Only instead of having a y, here it is yj and yj dash. Okay. Any doubt up to this, all the two chapters? Because now I have declared the interval, at least now you can study. Everyone is going to take the internal from near about 10. I have declared for you people it is 10 now.
Yes, ma'am.
So near about from 10, everyone is going to take a internal. So be prepared for all. अगर तुमने आप लोगों ने पहले से ही स्टडी किया होता तो अभी बहुत अच्छा होता ना. I hope you have done the study. So if you haven't started yet, start it, but still you have a 10 days. So we will share you a timetable that from the first day itself we will have the internal test. Okay, it may be a 15 or 30 marks, but for classical mechanics it is 2 chapter and it is of a 30 marks. Okay, and have you are knowing that 12 marks are compulsory to pass the internal exam. Okay, let me ask you, is there any doubt from the first chapter to up to second chapter completion? Is there any doubt related to my teaching or anything else related to me? तुमच्या हे समजत नाही, तुम्ही examples आज घेत नाही किंवा तुम्ही definition explain करत नाही. These type of doubts also you can ask, or you can give us suggestions. Any type of a problem you have up to now, you can ask me. Okay.
मैम वो अपनी असाइनमेंट दिया था ना लैग्रेंजियन इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन का, वो उसके आंसर्स मतलब पता चले तो अच्छा होता.
अच्छा ठीक है. Let me see that actually I have simply seen that how many of you submitted. So I will check and then I will tell you what are the correct answers.
Okay, ma'am.
One more thing I want to tell you that I think 40 seminars completed, right? 40 students. बरोबर ना? 40 जणांचे झालेत ना seminar?
Yes, ma'am.
So this Saturday we'll take all the 10 one which are remaining one. I think from 41 to 50 जे काही remaining आहेत ते सगळे संपवणार आहेत या शनिवारी. Okay, because we have to start the second year also. So be prepared, everyone be prepared for that. You have to upload the seminar, not of only 5 students. Then we are going to complete all the 50 students this Saturday. So be prepared for that. Those who are not attending this lecture, for them also you have to tell this. Okay, because only 38 students are there, including me. It is 40, right? So that's why I'm still saying you that those who are not attending the lectures, you have to tell them also that they have to upload the seminar and they have to deliver seminar this Saturday.
मॅम इंटरनलला MCQ आणि थिअरी 50-50 मार्क्सचे असणार ना?
50-50 nacelle, maybe 1 or 2 questions will be there for the theory. Okay, let me show you the
मॅम पॅटर्न वगैरे काय आहे का
pattern म्हणजे काय?
इंटरनल?
मार्काचं असेल ना. आणि theory म्हणजे किती maximum we can ask for 5 marks for internal. And for external examination, if you appear for the theory, then it will be of maximum 7 to 8 marks. But for theory, I will give you at least for 5 marks. 5 मार्काचे किंवा 6 मार्काचे क्वेश्चन्स असतील theoryचे.
म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम असणार का असं काय?
सगळंच असणार ना, ते कसं सांगणार आता? तुम्ही खूपच स्पेसिफाईड करायला. स्टडी पूर्ण 2 चॅप्टर करायचे, एक्झाम्पल सोडायचे नाही, थेरम पण सोडायचे नाही.
ओके मॅम.
Anyone else? Ask a doubt related to your 2 chapters because you have to appear for your internal exam.
मॅम आपली या सेम साठी इंटरनल एकदाच होणार आहे ना 30 मार्क्सची?
हो.
ओके मॅम.
मॅम डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम परत एकदा म्हणजे एक्सप्लेन करू शकतात का?
ओके.
मॅट्रायसिस बद्दल म्हणजे मॅट्रायसिसचं पण आपण डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम फाइंड आउट करतात ना, मग त्याचं पण थोडं एक्झाम्पल एक असेल तर 1-2 तर.
मॅट्रायसिसचे डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम
हां.
मी फाइंड आउट करतो मॅट्रिक्सचे डिग्रीज ऑफ फ्रीडम. मॅट्रिक्सची रँक काढतो ना आपण. लेट मी
हां मॅम, एक क्वेश्चन आहे ते बघते.
ते क्वेश्चन 3rd चॅप्टरच्या रिलेटेड आहे, हॅमिल्टन्स प्रिन्सिपलमध्ये 3rd किंवा 4th चॅप्टरला आहे तो. तो नंतर
ते पण डिग्रीज आहे का? हां.
4th चॅप्टरला आहे. Okay, what is the degrees of freedom actually? Is least possible number of linearly independent coordinate. Now I think everyone know about what is linearly independent coordinate, right? So let us take a very easy examples of your simple pendulum, right? So in simple pendulum, what we have actually, this x and y, simply say suppose p of xy will describe you the position of a particle at any point. That means आपको अगर pendulum का position पता करना है तो ये x and y is only sufficient for describing the position of a particle, right? But what we have actually, x and y are related by a equation x square plus y square is equal to L square. What is that L? L is nothing but the length of your pendulum. Okay, x square plus y square is equals to L square. So if they are related by, then we can say that x square is equals to L square minus y square. So if y is known to us, I can find out x. Barabar?
Yes ma'am.
So what do you mean by this? It means that they are linearly dependent. Okay. So hence we cannot have the linearly dependent coordinate. We must have a linearly independent coordinate. So for that, what we have done, we have one more generalized coordinate, or we have renamed it as suppose theta. हमने नया find out किया ना, theta is an angle which is an angle between vertical and threadal. Okay, so which gives you position of a particle, because if angle is known to you, you can say what is the position of a particle. Barobar?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so if it is needed, those we can say that theta is a generalized coordinate, which means that it is least possible number of linearly independent coordinate which are required to describe the position of a particle. Okay. Okay, now let us take an example of a straight line. On a straight line, how many coordinates require? Only one, no? Just like a real line. So single coordinate is sufficient to describe the position of a particle. What about 2D? We require the two coordinate, right? X and Y. केलेत ना आपण 10वी मध्ये ग्राफ ड्रॉ करत होतो ग्राफ बुक मध्ये. So if we are in a 3D space, how many coordinates we require is X, Y and Z without having any restriction, right? Because if suppose we have some constraints, that is if suppose some constraints are given or limitations are there. This is what a limitation now. X square plus y square is equals to L square. Limitations or geometric restriction is called a constraint. Rukavat. Okay, so constraints, if you are having at that time, it may be changing. No, it may have only two coordinate in 3D space. Now, but here we are only discussing about a single coordinate without having any restriction, any geometrical restriction. कुछ भी नहीं है उसपे. So at that time, we can say it is having only three coordinate, and this will give you as a generalized coordinate. In this case, generalized coordinate coincide with the Cartesian coordinate. Here also, if you are not having any restriction, generalized coordinate coincide with the Cartesian coordinate. Okay.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Girija Jamkhanti asked the question whether exam is online or offline. Which exam you were asking about?
Internal exam, ma'am.
Okay, internal exam will be online because suppose, okay, let me share you the screen for that. Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
सो एक्चुअली ये आपका पेपर नहीं है, ये किसका है ये भी नहीं आपको बताऊंगी, सिर्फ आपको ये देख सकते हो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी नहीं दिखेंगे आपको. So of this type, so if the questions is here, so you have to select the option, and if suppose it is of the type, अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन अपलोड करना है, okay, so at that time let me have here question. Upload a file. Okay, is the screen visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कैसा दिसणार आहे पेपर तुम्हाला? So you have to upload your email, name. No doubt you are a student of mathematics. Okay. So after that, there is a next step. Let me upload this one. दिसतंय का आता क्वेश्चन? A is equal to 1 matrix is given.
येस मॅम.
Okay. So what we have, the question is given like this, and you have to answer here. Suppose you want to click for B, so this will be B answer. Correct? You can substitute any answer. The last one is a question. No? Suppose I have asked a question for Euler-Lagrange. Here the option is there for add a file. So if you want to add a file, you can choose a file from this. Okay. Upload a file means select from your device. You can do this on your mobile phone also. मोबाइल में आप जो भी लिखते हो, सपोज यूलर लैग्रेंज थ्योरम का प्रूफ मैंने पूछा क्वेश्चंस में, सो एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू फर्स्ट राइट डाउन दैट एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक अ फोटो ऑफ दैट, और यू रादर यू कैन अपलोड इट बाय मेकिंग दैट मीन्स स्कैन करके भी अपलोड कर सकते हो. You can use a cam scanner or Adobe Reader. So here there are options. You can upload any pictures from your device. Just you have to select and you have to keep it in such a way that you can easily select that. By open means that it will open and it will be uploaded. Okay, let me show you. So here it will show you upload. दिसतं सगळ्यांना?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here screenshot will be there. And if suppose you want to delete, you can delete also. Suppose if you have any problem. So you can upload a file also. Suppose if you want to upload any file. Okay, here upload option is there. So you have to upload the file. Is the file visible? June mathematics set. दिसतंय का?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now after that you have to just click on a submit. After submitting, actually you have to answer all these questions because every question is compulsory. Okay, so here you can have an option as your response has been recorded, which means that you have completed your exam. Okay. Anyone else you have a doubt, you can ask.
मॅम किती टाइम असेल इंटरनल साठी?
It depends, near about 1 hour at least. 1 तास तर असेल. MCQ जास्त असणार आहेत ना, त्यामुळे 1 तास सफिशियंट आहे.
ओके मॅम.
मॅम 30 मार्काचं असणार ना?
35 नाही, it is for 30 marks. What will be the time duration? Time duration is 1 hour near about. Just now I told you. Next.
मॅम एकाच दिवशी सगळ्या इंटरनल सब्जेक्टच्या?
हो नाही बाबा, एका दिवशी नाही घेणार इंटरनल. टाइम टेबल असणार. टाइम टेबलमध्ये फर्स्ट डे अल्जेब्रा, सेकंड डे रियल, थर्ड डे क्लासिकल मेकॅनिक्स, देन नंबर थेरी. नाही, देन what is the sequence? Algebra, real, DE, CM, then number theory. Okay?
ओके मॅम.
We'll share your timetable, but you should be ready for that. Yes, the question is correct. Who asked this question? Girija Jankhani. After exam, regular lectures will be there. 1 तासाची एक्झाम असेल ना, त्याच्यानंतर जे काही टाइम टेबल नुसार जे लेक्चर असतील ते होणार. अजून एक सांगायचं तुम्हाला बिकॉज वी हॅव नाव चेंज द टाइम टेबल वाय बिकॉज वी हॅव टू कंडक्ट युअर practical examinations because since now the government is not allowing the students to come to our college and our university, so that's why now we can conduct a practical जेवढं झालं तेवढं करता येईल म्हणजे suppose if you want to access a latex software you need at least laptop. No doubt you can do it on a mobile phone also because it's still I am also not knowing how to operate latex on a mobile phone because I am just doing it on the my laptop itself. माझं जे रिसर्च आहे ते लॅटेक्समध्ये टाईप करताना ते लॅपटॉपमध्येच करते. So those who are having a laptop or PC in their home, first on the first lecture or in the first practical lecture, Thenge ma'am will take the practical of your that first lecture. In that, she will teach you how to install the latex, how to install basic mictex, what to do. It means where to store the files, how the files are stored, then how the PDF is generated, how the error is generated, how to remove an error, and from where we have to install the packages and all. So as the physical practicals are not possible nowadays, so that's why we are doing this. That जितना हो सके उतना हम ट्राई करेंगे कि आपको प्रैक्टिकल्स लेटेक्स के सॉफ्टवेयर में सिखा सके, राइट? We don't know exactly how much you will get it or not. So you can also search how to download a latex on mobile phone or how to operate this on a mobile phone. You can search it and you can do it. Even in the practical examination, we are going to show you how to install, how to do type some small equations and all. Because if you want to type any equation on the word file, it is somewhat difficult to type. So that's why we have introduced as a latex. Okay. So you have to attend it very seriously, just like a regular lectures. Practicals will be there, and after practicals, you will be given with an assignment. That means you are provided with some integral equation or कुछ भी एक difficult equation या matrix. You have to type that matrix. You have to run the program, and you have to submit it. Okay. Maybe from today or tomorrow onwards, we'll conduct your practical. And next thing I have told you that this Saturday we'll have all the 10 seminars, remaining seminars.
मॅम इंटरनलला ऑल क्वेश्चन्स कंपल्सरी असणार?
हो. MCQच आहेत ना, काय होणार आहे? Maybe for theory it may have options, but for MCQ it will not have any options.
ओके मॅम.
MCQ साठी ऑप्शन असेल पण ते क्वेश्चन साठी नाही. अजून काय डाऊट?
आणि ज्यांच्याकडे कम्प्युटर नाहीत लॅपटॉप नाही त्यांनी कसं करायचं प्रॅक्टिकल?
हा तेच
आमच्याकडे नाही.
सांगितलं ना. हा तेच सांगितले ना. आता आपण काय करू शकत नाही ना. जेव्हा फिजिकल चालू होईल त्यासाठी आम्ही बसलो होतो. Because we have a stat and mathematics lab here, so we can take it you on the lab and we can show you, no? So, but now due to this situation, we cannot do anything, right? So, whatever the instruction provided to us, we are just doing those things, right? So for practical, what we will do, we'll share the screen. We are going to show you how to run the program, how to write the program. After publication of a program, PDF is generated and where to store the PDF. These things, no doubt, we'll share. Okay. And I don't know, actually, some of my friends told me that latex can be operated on the mobile phone also. I actually don't know how to operate on a mobile phone. I will also search for that. You also have to search on that how to operate a latex on a mobile phone. If it is uh, possible to do on a mobile phone, that is also good one. Okay. Is the doubt clear?
ओके मॅम.
मोबाईलवर कसं करायचं हे पण आम्ही तुम्हाला दाखवतो. Okay, we will also search, and you have to also search for that how to do it on a mobile, because mostly I am doing it on a laptop or PC, so that's why I'm not much more familiar for that how to do it on a mobile phone. We'll do it and we'll explain you how to operate this. But while explaining or while the practical lecture, we'll do it on a laptop itself, right? क्योंकि जैसे लेक्चर हम लोग लेते हैं वैसे ही लेंगे ना प्रैक्टिकल लैपटॉप पे या पीसी पे.
मॅम ह्या सॅटर्डेला 41 to 50 सेमिनार असणार ना?
बाकीचे जेवढे आहेत तेवढे 40 झालेत ना आता.
हो. मॅम कॅम्प्युटर डिपार्टमेंटला सब्जेक्ट नाहीत का घेते CPP वगैरे?
Actually, for that, you have to go in the semester two. Okay. In the semester two, we have one OET paper. That OET paper you can select from the MCA, MSc Computer Science, Statistic, or Biostatistics. Okay. So you are provided with the some papers, and then you can select any paper from that stream. You cannot select the paper of mathematics. You can select one paper out of mathematics, and in the semester third also you have an option to select the OET.
ओके मॅम. म्हणजे ह्या सेमला CPP होता नंबर थेरीसाठी ऑप्शनल.
नाही, आता नाही आहे. CPP is easy, no, you can learn it on yourself also. But in the second and third semester, you have, I think, web designing, statistical methods. Many options are there. Two or three. I think 3 to 4 options will be there. Out of them, you have to select one paper for OET. OET, in the name itself, is open elective paper. In the second and third, you can select. फॉर्म भरलेत बहुतेक ना?
हो मॅम.
Any doubt related to topics second and first unit?
मॅम सेम साठी 20% सिलेबस कमी आहे ना?
सेम साठी
20% सिलेबस कमी करायचे म्हणले होते ना?
कोणी म्हणलं का?
म्हणजे न्यूज ऐकलेली मी.
नाही.
नाही का होणार?
रेग्युलर लेक्चर्स होतात, उलट तुमचा टाइम कम वाचताय ना, कॉलेज यायला जायला टाइम लागतंय ना, उलट सिलेबस वाढायला पाहिजे ऑनलाईन असल्यामुळे. मला तर असं वाटतं.
नाही पण म्हणजे तसं न्यूज आली होती की जरी ऑनलाईन झाले ना तरी 20% सिलेबस कमी
No,
करायचं
no,
म्हणून.
it is not like that. If it is like that, we will share you the things. असं झालं असेल तर आम्ही सांगतो तुम्हाला.
हो.
I think you haven't started study. So that's why you're not having any doubt related to first and second chapter. I have taken a revision of first chapter after completion of first, but I think so there is need to take a revision of second chapter because it is already having 6 versions of Euler-Lagrange theorem. तेच प्रूव्ह केलेत ना, फक्त एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत मध्ये, ते बघा आणि अभ्यास करा. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
Still, those who are not attending, tell them to attend the lectures because we are not going to share the recorded lectures. काय प्रॉब्लेम असते अटेंड करायला लेक्चर? घरी बसून तर अटेंड करायचे. Now we can end the lecture. If you're not having a doubt, you can leave the meeting. You can join for the next lecture.
मॅम ते
मॅम
स्वयं
थोडं पर्सनल आहे.
काय?
हा विचार काय असेल तू.
मॅम ते स्वयंचं रजिस्ट्रेशन केलेलं आहे पण त्याचे असाइनमेंट आम्ही काहीच केले नाहीत. ते असाइनमेंट करायचे आहेत का कंपल्सरी?
हो करायचे तर तेव्हाच तुम्हाला ते सर्टिफिकेट येणार ना.
मॅम ते असाइनमेंट कशीच जायचे त्या असाइनमेंट वरती तेच कळे नाही.
एक मिनिट दाखवते. It is not so much difficult, no? Let me share the screen how to go for Swayam. Is the screen visible?
येस मॅम.
Are you able to see here Swayam NPTEL? Now what you have to do? Whatever the first portal you are going to observe here, just you have to click on that. This is possible in mobile also. But I am not taking a lecture from laptop, so that's why I am showing here. You can do it on mobile. Mobile may be same window आएगा. So here you have to register, sign in or register. Registration you have already done. Okay. So after signing in, here it will ask you to sign in through Google. Same things will be done in same window आएगा, same process आहे.
असं चालू होतं.
हां ह्याच्यानंतर तुम्ही कुठला ईमेल यूज केलाय ते तुम्हाला बघावं लागेल. कुठला ईमेल यूज केला त्या ईमेलवर क्लिक करायचं. मग ते तुमच्या स्वयंच्या पोर्टलमध्ये जा. आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ दिस हियर यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट इट. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है कि ड्रॉप डाउन. सो इन द ड्रॉप डाउन यू कैन सी हियर माय कोर्सेस एंड साइन अप. दिसतंय ना? हेलो
मॅम.
Okay. So in my courses, you have to select the my courses. Actually, मेरे बहुत सारे courses हैं. So here you can see the completed courses and upcoming or ongoing courses. So actually, these are my courses. The last one which we see is you can register for many courses. Huh? This one is our one, na? Basic linear algebra, right?
येस मॅम.
येस मॅम.
Okay, so here there are two options: go to course and register for exam. Same option, same window will be there in your mobile phone. So you can go to course. Okay, so here you can see now. Okay, this से का है? Hello.
येस मॅम.
काय दिसतं इथे? हे week 0 दिसतं. Week 0 assignment 0. Week 1 lectures. This blue shows that you have attended the lectures. Okay, this one also quiz. Assignment 0. This blue dot shows that you have attended the lecture and you have done the assignment. And here also you can see week 2. Those lecture you have attended, it is showing blue. मी जे लेक्चर अटेंड नाही केले ते ब्ल्यू नाही दाखवत आहे इथे बघा. दिसतंय का सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can see here week 3. Week 3 is also some lectures are there. So I have attended this assignment. Assignment me submit के quiz assignment number 3. Easy है, so that's why I haven't attended the lecture. You can also attend the lecture and you can submit the assignment. After submission of assignment, after completion of all this, you can register for exam. And this, if you register for exam, the center will be there in the Solapur itself, any of the engineering college. And then after the completion of that exam, they will give you a certificate. Now, as this course is run by IIT Bombay. This से काय थे Professor I.K. Rana IIT Bombay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the certificate will be given to you that you have completed basic linear algebra course from IIT Bombay, right? So for that, first you should complete the assignment. If you complete the assignment, then only you are eligible to go for the exam. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt again?
मॅम तुम्हाला मॉनिटर म्हणून आम्ही सिलेक्टच केलं होतं, झालंच नव्हतं नंतर आमचं काही जणांचं.
ठीक आहे, राहू द्या. ते प्रॉब्लेम झाले काहीतरी. बाकीचे स्टुडंटनी सिलेक्ट केलेत, आहेत माझ्याकडे रेकॉर्ड. माझ्या लॉगिन मध्ये दिसतंय कोण कोण स्टुडंट आहेत. दाखवते थांबा. ये रजिस्टर फॉर एग्जाम जे दाखवते ना तिथे रजिस्ट्रेशन करा. 1000 रुपये फीस आहे. पण IITच्या तुम्हाला हे मिळते ना सर्टिफिकेट. कॅन सी हिअर मेंटी लिस्ट आहे ना इथे. इथे दिसतंय ते मेंटर मेंटी दिसतंय ना हे मेंटर मेंटी.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here you can see mentee list and I can also see how many of you attended the seminar. Sorry, assignment. Assignment 0 starting चे कोणी पण student ने attend नाही केले. Directly आरती अशोक 80 marks is there. अश्विनी लांडगे 36 marks. विनक्का धर्मे तुमचे सेकंड इयरचे फ्रेंड्स आहेत. So those who have attended the assignment, that is also known to me. So near about 70 students selected me as a mentor. You can go to login. You are having an option to select the mentor. दिसतंय आता किती जणांनी किती असाइनमेंट सॉल्व केले हे पण दिसतंय मला. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
इथे दिसतंय ना मेंटरचं ऑप्शन. इथे जाऊन सिलेक्ट करा आता. Same window will be appear on a mobile phone also. Okay. Should I close this? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
If you want to do many more other courses, you can register for other courses also. Let me show you the other courses. So you can see here all courses, national coordinator, local chapter, about swim. So here you can select for all courses. One app is also there about the swim. You can download that app. When assignment releases, there will be तुम्हाला ईमेल पण येईल ते तुमच्या ॲपमध्ये नोटिफिकेशन पण येणार आहे. You can see here many courses are there. You can run for any courses. If you want, if you're having any research, any interest in advanced C++, so you can register here. This course is run by IIT Bombay. So you can get a certificate from IIT Bombay after completion of examinations. See, there are so many courses are there. Management function. किती कोर्सेस आहे बघा, कुठलाही कोर्स रजिस्टर करा, 4-5 वीकचा प्रोग्राम असते. असाइनमेंट सबमिट करायचे, रजिस्टर करायचे. एक्झामला 1,000 रुपये खूप जास्त नाहीये ना, आपल्याकडे मोबाईल फोन 10-10, 15-15 हजारचे असतात. आणि कन्व्हिन्स करायचं असेल तर आपण मम्मी पप्पाला कसंही कन्व्हिन्स करतो ना. ड्रेस घ्यायचे असेल, मोबाईल घ्यायचे असेल, बाईक घ्यायची असेल तर, राईट. सो डू इट. लेट मी एंड द लेक्चर. थँक यू. Next lecture you have to join. You can leave the meeting and you can join the next lecture.